So hey, today we're going to talk about the CondoMounts TV808164. This is the advanced tilt TV wall mount. So what is this actually? Okay, let me just show you. This is the box that you'll get. This product. Just turn this around. Yeah, there you go. So this is an advanced tilt TV wall mount, and it's different from a normal wall mount, right? It fits TVs up to 80 inches. It has a VESA size of 200 by 200 and up to 600 by 400. If you want to know more about VESA, I have a video about that also down here. I'll attach a link. And then this TV mount is not a normal wall TV mount because you could tilt the TV, you could swivel the TV, you can even raise the TV up and down, and it also comes out from the wall. Right, so now let's open up this TV mount. Right. Okay, so this beautiful CondoMounts box, when it's open, you are able to see the whole TV mount. Right, this TV mount is special because of another reason. Okay, it's really long. Okay, so this is the main TV mount right here. And the best thing about CondoMounts is they give you everything. Okay, this is the instructions manual. Okay, simple instructions manual, and down here, if you look closely, you have this. Okay, these are all the screws, washers, even the spacers are given for you to mount your TV. Alright, they give you wall plugs, some lag screws right here, and also more washers. Okay, see here. Now, some TV mounts, when you get them online, they don't include this kind of tools. Okay, this is a hex key or an Allen key, and they also include this leveler, right? So next, let me just look through what do we have here. Alright, here. So this one is called the elephant anchor. This is also included in the products, and you could use this mount, on the drywall. They also include this drill bit. Right, they have washers, the screws, the machine screws, and even the instruction manual on how to do it. Now, what do we have here? Let's see now. So let me cut off this box. Yeah, okay, as you can see here, this is the magic, alright? This device right here enables you to mount your TV, and still you could bring out the TV from the wall. Right, when you mount your TV, the TV is going to be movable. Okay, so you could bring out the TV from the wall. Besides that, as said just now, this TV could also be lifted up, right? Lifted up, and also you could even tilt this TV up and down the back. Right, so why do they have this release key right here? This release key is actually to lock your TV in place. Okay, so I'm going to show you one day how to mount your TV with this advanced tilt TV mount. So there are two of these. Okay, same two, and that's it. Okay, it's a very easy mount to mount your TV. Right, the technology right here is pretty much very simple. You have this main TV mount, this set, you attach this to the TV, the back of the TV, and this one you place it on here, so it looks more or less like this. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to mount this onto a drywall on the next video. Right, so stay tuned, guys, and for more information on TV mounting, please do subscribe us and click on the black bell button so that you know our updates on TV mounting. See you guys later.